Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. In the previous video, you have seen that we have set up Shopify store for 14 days free trial in 5 minutes. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go to our channel and watch that video in this playlist, the very first video in this playlist. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon. So we will be moving forward towards other videos. Okay, in this video we are going to see what the first option is showing here on Turn Off Shopify admin panel. So here you will see that in the orders we have the first option is orders. Okay, in orders, when your store is live and is working, you will see orders management in the orders section here. Here you will see get orders and accept payments for customers. You need to select a plan. We haven't selected any plan yet, so we will be setting up the plan. After then you can watch it. So we can also give you a preview on another store where you will see that we have set up sales for our Shopify stores. So in this section all the orders will be showing. Okay, here you see that we are in another store where we have already orders are coming. So in the order section you will see that if order came, then it will be showing like this. Once you have order in the order section, you can click on it. It will be open just like this. So from here you can just click on more actions. You can make it fulfill it, right? You can make refund, you can make payments, you can accept payments. So your order will be marked with fulfilled after checking the order. There are some apps that auto fulfill your order, like overload. If you are doing drop shipping with different apps, then this can be done automatically. So here was the section of order in which you will see order number, date, customer name, channel from where the order is coming, the amount of order, payment status, it's paid or not paid, fulfillment status, like it's fulfilled or not, how many items the order has been placed, and what is the delivery method. So you can also search it by filtering, like select filter. Then you can also filter orders like with payment status and all these options here. You can also select the number of columns you want to show on in order. Here you will see all orders. Here on fulfilled orders, here unpaid orders, and then open, and then close. So these are the options available. If the order is not fulfilled, you will see it will be like this, unfulfilled. You can click on it and done it or fulfilled, right? Also, there is another section in the orders that is called drop. In drop, you will see that you can create drop orders. Once you have something to send to someone, then you can make it fulfilled or active, then it will be showing in the orders. And there is another option in the orders that is abandoned checkouts. The abandoned checkouts are the checkouts. Like if somebody is coming on your store, he's clicking on add to cart, but he's not paying for it, then he will be showing here as an abandoned checkout. You can then send marketing emails to that email. You can make a flow of emails that will be showing for that. So once the order abandoned checkout has been received in this section, the email will be automatically sent to that email. So we can make our client forced to click on the payment section so we can make the payment, and so there will be a more chance of getting conversion rate high with this technique in the embedded checkout. So this was a video of how the orders, how the drops work in the orders, and what are the embedded checkout. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.